exciting place. There are so many wonderful things to see. But just how closely are you watching? Very closely, I hope, because I'll be asking questions about what you've seen. Stephen is being coupled to a long line of trucks loaded with stone. Oh dear, Stephen. All those trucks are far too heavy for you. Let's try uncoupling some. I wonder how many he can pull. There we are. That's much lighter. Now you're on your way. Are you ready for the first question? How many trucks full of stone did Stephen manage to pull? Was it 1? Was it 2? Or was it 3? Stephen pulled 1 truck full of stone. I'm not sure pulling stone is the job for Stephen. He's happiest pulling carriages full of people. Hooray! That was fun. Let's play again. Oops! Kevin has fallen into the water. Luckily, Cranky is on hand to lend a hook. What's that on Kevin's face? It's pinched his nose. What kind of creature was on Kevin's nose? Was it a fish? Was it a crab? Or was it a starfish? A crab was on Kevin's nose. Sir Topham Hatt was very pleased with Kevin and Cranky for working together to tidy the dockside. Jolly well done. Do come back again soon. Goodbye.